Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadeshda Mashena and I welcome you today to show you my mini journal that I created. This is a mini journal from the pages from Artimaze, and this is a craftable that we created together with all the CRafty sisters. So I'll just show you the front of the cover. As you can see, this is my finger. So it's like 1 inch tall and just a little over 1 inch tall, I think, and 1 inch wide. This is the front. I made a cluster with laces, some cutouts from also from the kit. And this is a freebie from Artimaze, and here is a piece of cheesecloth. This is the spine, and I made a sort of a hole here just to put it on my journal, my large journal, as you could see in my previous video. And this is the back of the journal. So it opens up like so. And then for the inside, I use some washi tape in the middle. Here's a tuck spot with a small tag. So super cute. Some lace on the side. And then we'll go like this. Again, a tuck spot with a card. This tuck spot here, super cute. I just love working with this size. These are super cute. They're super cute add-ons to your project. This is a booklet with some pages that I stamped on. A piece of cheesecloth here, and again some gorgeous images from the Artimaze. Then we'll flip through this. A tag, a sort of a stamp here, stamp ticket in the back. Super cute. And thank you so much again, Carmen, for making this size for us to create with and for preparing it. And as you can see, these gorgeous images, yeah, they are just perfect. Again, for also these mini journals, you can see the beautiful details. And that's what I love about this mini journal. Some laces again, a sort of a tuck spot there. And here, a small card, a tiny postcard in the back, like so. And this is the last page, like so. Last pages, I mean, a ticket, a flashcard, another postcard here. So super cute, just love it. And that's for this. And again, a teeny tiny card. And a label. So, and back again. So that's for this item that I wanted to show you, my mini journal. We also created a few faux cards in another crafty meetup. I just wanted to show them to you also in this video. This is the first one. And as I show you, I'll try to zoom out a little bit so you can see it. So now you can see all the details. For the base, I used, as you can see here, a music paper, vintage music paper, which are both sides. I put, yeah, it's quite sturdy. On the top, quite a few layers of fussy cut pieces, a mini ticket here, some tags. This is a piece of tape that I antiqued myself, some lace, and yeah, just loving the cluster of this one. This is the first one that I wanted to show you. Then this one. Oh, let me pick up this, like so. Again, a cluster with some flower, yeah, a fussy-cut centerpiece. Then just basically building up all the different layers, like this beautiful vintage piece here, lace, washi tapes, some book pages, some ledger pages, a tab here with the word flourish, bluey, and yeah, I just love this one. And oh yeah, here two bling pieces. I don't know if you can see it well, like so. And I hope to hear from you what you think about these projects that we created. And I hope to be some kind of inspiration for you today. Maybe you want to start off creating some embellishments for your journal, or just to see how you can layer up different materials to create a beautiful collage piece. And these are all Faux tickets. I'll put the links below of the inspiring channels that I watched before creating these Faux tickets. And yeah, then again, yeah, these are all Dutch words. Summer, again, a flourish, yeah, growth, and this is spring. So that's all, and they are basically the same build up. A ledger paper, a piece of antique paper, all distressed, some tabs and some words coming out of a botanical book, laces, and a piece of bling. Again, some washi tape here on this side, and that's for this, and this is the last one. So I hope you're all doing well and all feeling well. And yeah, thank you so much again for joining me today as I show you these projects that I created. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.